Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to properly bench test your winch. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe. So as you may know, I've been working on my buddy's Sidewinder winch and I wasn't really sure about the motor. I had to strip it apart. I just kind of cleaned everything, put it back together, and now it's time to bench test it. And I thought that would be a good thing to show you guys how to do. Now, in order to properly bench test your winch, you're going to need a couple of things. One, you're going to need your winch motor. Two, you're going to need a battery or a battery charger. And three, you're going to need some jumper cables and a way to cross some posts. I'm going to be using a screwdriver. Now, one great thing about bench testing your winch motor is you don't actually have to do it on the bench. It's something that you can test on your vehicle to find out if your solenoid's not working or if your motor's not working. 99% of the time when you're trying to decide between your solenoids and your motor, it is going to be your solenoids, but this is a surefire way to test if your motor's screwing up or if your solenoids. Now, more than likely, your winch has 3 posts on top, just like this one. This one does not have a post for a ground, so we're just going to ground to the case. Now, how you're going to hook this up, you're going to take positive power from your battery and connect it to one of these 2 posts right here, and you're going to take your negative from your battery or your ground and ground it to your case or your grounded post. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect these 2 posts here. You can do that using a screwdriver. You can do it using another set of jumper cables, the wiring from your winch. Either way it goes, you need to cross these 2 posts with each other. Look at that, she spins. Now, in order to spin it the opposite direction, what you're going to do is you're going to take your positive from your battery and you're going to move it over to the other post. Once it's connected, again, you're going to test it by crossing the other 2 posts. That's not a good sign. Now, if you are doing this on the bench, you do want to be careful. They are going to spin rather quickly, so you might want to chuck it up in a vise or secure it somehow. But as for now, I'm extremely happy that this thing works. Saves Judson a couple $100 on a new winch motor. Anyway, if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Oh, you can check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, as well as TikTok at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching. So once it's all connected, with it all connected, once again, you're going to test it by crossing these 2 posts.